Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this cutesy fish and Fish It Roblox. So if you're looking for this cutesy fish, this is the most adorable catch in the Fish It Valentine's update. I'm going to show you the best spot and the exact bait you need to fill your collection book fast. So to get it, of course, you need to fish it inside the Heartfelt Island. And then here, this is my favorite locations to fish all of the Valentine's fish collection. So this is where I got it. And for the bait, I'm using the Singularity bait with Element Road as the combo. And if needed, you can also use the love potion or the love totem to increase your life to get cupid mutations of the cutesy fish if you want to. So that's very much all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.